Victoria cast iron grain mill. Manual coffee grinder, corn mill, seed grinder with high hopper. Table clamp. Adjustable. You can adjust the coarseness and fineness of your milling using the adjusting screw. Larger batch processing. The high hopper grinder has more capacity for grain content. Heavy-duty construction. Made of cast iron with sanitary double tin plating to resist stains and corrosion, compliant with international regulations. High-performance discs are made of anti-erosion white iron for maximum durability and performance on all types of grain. Grind anything. Use it for home brewing, corn, barley, grains, coffee, cheese, vegetables, seeds, nuts, coconut, spices, dried beans, cooked meats, etc. Capacity of adjustment. The clamp is easily adjustable to most tables and boards a half to 2 thick. Comes with a protective non-slip rubber, protects your surfaces and prevents the grain grinder from slipping in heavy work. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.